everyone, welcome back to my channel Aisha Talks. I hope you all are doing great. And first of all, I want to apologize that I could not upload this video in last 3 or 4 days. Although I wanted to, the reason being my health. I am down with terrible fever. Still, I am having this runny nose and my nose is blocked. I'm having a constant fever. So the temperature keeps going, it drops, but then it is again, I'm having so feverish and I feel cold. It is cold also in Karachi. So this is the reason I could not, I'm having constant headache also. It would be unfair if I don't mention my headache. It is terrible, trust me. So I'm having it over here, so it's really bad. So this is the reason I could not upload this video earlier. This is the idea that I want to talk about on 1st of January, but I couldn't. Why? Because the reason I've told you, I'm not well. So this is about making your day productive. Every day should be meaningful. Everyone, when new year starts, so everyone wants to make the most out of it. And we also had a video about new year's resolution. But today I want to talk about specifically making every day a productive day, every day a meaningful day. So I have planned something in my diary, in my planner. So you can also take any diary and then you can also plan it. So I will take you to my diary now and I will show you how you can design and make your day a very, very productive day. So I'll just take you over there. Thank you. So this is my diary, and you can take any random diary that you have and start planning your day in this way. So I have given the heading productive day on top. Then you mention the date. Usually, we have dates mentioned on the diary pages. So if you're using some other diary, for example, you can see 11th January on the same page. So if you're using some other page, or accidentally if you turn more than one page, then you mention the date also. And of course 2020, because that is the year that we are living in. So the first heading, the first thing that you are going to mention to make your day productive is goal for today. So you have to set one goal for the day. For example, you can say that I have to complete my work or any task that is pending or that is due in coming days. So I have written my goal for today is to complete the assignment for English course. So you mention it that this is my goal for today, and you will complete it before day ends. The next thing to make your day productive is to mention priority of the day. So you have many things to do in a single day, but what is that task or something that is most important? So you mention priority of the day, give this a heading like this, and then you can mention priority, like I am giving you one, for example, to fix my laptop. So some kind of repair is due, so you can mention that this is the priority, because without fixing my laptop I cannot perform other tasks. So other priority of the day is to let's say is to prepare shopping list. So this is important for the day, so you mention it. So these are two priorities of the day. Then what something else you can mention to make your day productive is to-do list. So what are the things that you need to do in a single day? For example, today I would you can think about the most important tasks. Okay, prayers, they are the most important things. Then I would do the kitchen stuff, so prepare meals. Number 3 would be to arrange my closet. So you can make a section of the task that you need to do in a single day. Then in the same on the same diary page, you can also mention your diet plan. For example, if you're diet conscious and you are on some kind of medicines, then you can also mention your diet plan. That in a productive day, I would not eat that, or I would be careful in consuming this many calories and something. So I have written cut down fats. So saying no to fried items or anything which has high calorie. So you can mention your diet plan also. The next thing you can mention to make your day productive is appointment. The appointment details you can mention. So what are the appointments you have for today? Now, while mentioning the appointments, please make sure that you mention the time. For example, at 4 p.m., I have to send a text message to maybe a classmate or anyone who has who's working with you, or maybe a relative. So you can write send text message to, and then you can mention the name. So send text message to Aisha and send text message to Tabish. You can mention the name of that particular person, but with the time, because it is an appointment. Similarly, if you have more than one appointments, then you can mention another appointment. So 6 p.m. you have to let's say speak to someone. So you can mention you have to speak to, and then you can mention your relationship. So speak to your uncle or aunt or grandmother. So this way, now you would remember that at 6 p.m. you have to perform a certain task. Similarly, always, in order for to make your day a productive day, always write why you are a lucky person and what are the things you are grateful for. So today I am grateful for, then you mention something to make your day a beautiful day, something to make you happy. So you mention the things that you're grateful for. For example, I'm sorry, I ran out of ink over here, so I had to change my pen. But I am grateful for health. That's why I wanted to write. So I'm grateful for today. I'm grateful for health. So I would write health. And today I'm also grateful for happiness, because I'm happy. So you mention that particular blessing that you have. And I'm also grateful for my family because they're with me. So these are the 3 things I'm grateful for today. So this way you can divide your time in a very productive way, and also you can make a note for the things to be happy about. And that's the end, the happy life. Thank you.